Today we'll create this amazing typography post in Canva, so let's begin. First, open Canva. Select the background, go to Color, scroll down and choose this orange gradient color. Change gradient to linear. Go to Apps. Search Typecraft. Open this app. Type text. Go to Font and search Lethal. Choose this font. Change color to white. Choose vertical. Now, adjust it like us. Click Add Element to Design. Duplicate this text. Go to Edit. Choose No Mirror. Now, flip this text. Adjust it like us. Change its color to black. Click on Update Element. Now, adjust both texts. Go to Position. Send it to backward. Reduce its transparency to 30. Select both texts and adjust. Go to Elements and search Orange Transparent Gradient. Go to Graphics section, add this one. Place it on bottom. Go to Color, then add color. Choose Color Picker, pick color from background. Go to Upload, add image. Remove its background. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate it. Click on Edit. Then Duotone. Choose Custom. Change highlights to black. Go to Apps. Search Skew Image. Choose this one. Set horizontal skew to 40 and vertical to -15. Add it to Design. Now, adjust this shadow. Reduce its transparency to 50. Click on Edit, then Blur. Choose Whole Image. Set it to 50. Go to Position, then Layers. Now drag and place this shadow below the image. Go to Elements and search Shadow. Go to Graphics. Add this one. Adjust its size and place it on foot. Send it to backward. Now add a heading. Type your text. Go to Font. Search Futura. Choose Futura Medium Font. Change font size to 35. Change its color to white. Make it uppercase. Set letter spacing to 50. Duplicate the text. Add your quote. Choose Futura Light Font. Change font size to 20 pixels. Adjust its position. Our typography post is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.